So, hello guys, welcome back, and today we will study about the emphatic and reflexive pronouns. So, I have already tell that emphatic and reflexive pronoun reflect the subject, like I eat ice cream. So, I का myself हो जाता है इसमें, your का yourself, our का ourselves. So, let's begin with this topic. So, reflexive pronouns first are the easiest topic in the pronouns. First, look at these examples. I cut my nails myself. We must learn to laugh at ourselves. So, here, I cut my nail myself. So, I here is a subject and myself is reflexive pronoun. In the second sentence, ourself is the reflexive pronoun of we. So, in the first sentence, I perform the action of cutting the nails, and at the same time, I receive the action of the nails being cut. Don't confuse in it. Look at the last sentence first. Reflexive pronoun act as objects, not subjects. It is very important point, and usually show that the person who does the action of the verb is the same person who receive the action. तो जो ऊपर दिया हुआ है इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आई परफॉर्म द एक्शन ऑफ बीइंग कट, तो ये बिल्कुल सेम ही है जैसे नीचे लिखा हुआ है। ये दोनों का मतलब सेम ही होता है कि एक्शन ऑफ कट नेल्स, तो हम आई हमें इसी टाइम पे एक्शन ऑफ कट द नेल्स दिखा बता रहा है, और उसी टाइम पे हमें ये भी बता रहा है कि नेल कैसे कट हो रहे हैं, कि कौन कट कर रहा है, मतलब आई, सो आई एम कटिंग माई नेल्स. In the second sentence, the doer of action is the we. At the same time, we receive the action of being cut or being laughed at. So, it is the same as the first. Here, myself and ourselves are reflective pronouns because the action is reflected to the subject. So, ourselves and myself are reflexive pronoun here that I have tell, because the action is reflected to the subject that I have tell in the starting of the video कि जो myself and ourselves वो reflexive pronoun इसलिए है क्योंकि वो action को reflect कर रहे हैं subject की तरफ. So now we will study about the emphatic pronouns. When reflexive pronouns are used for emphasis, they are called emphatic pronouns. Example: I myself cut my nails. They themselves suggest this restaurant. Here myself and themselves emphasize the doer role in action. So एग्जाम्पल्स के ज़रिए समझते हैं कि आई माई सेल्फ कट माई नेल्स, तो इधर बता रहे हैं कि मैं अपने नेल्स खुद काट रहा हूँ, और दे देम सेल्फ, तो मतलब वो खुद ही अपना रेस्टोरेंट सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं. सो देज आर कॉल्ड एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउंस ओनली. हियर माई सेल्फ एंड देम सेल्फ एम्फेसाइज द डूअर रोल इन द एक्शन. जो माई सेल्फ एंड आर सेल्फ हैं वो एम्फेसाइज कर रहे हैं द डूअर रोल इन एक्शन. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Here it is a chart given. This chart is very important. Personal pronouns are given and reflexive pronouns are given. So I reflexive is myself. You reflexive is yourself or yourself. He himself, she herself, it itself, we ourselves, they themselves. It is very important. You can learn it also. So we have finished the topic reflexive and emphatic. So now fill in the blanks. You have to just fill in the blanks with emphatic and reflexive pronouns. This is very easy exercise. I think you can solve it. Now we will solve the exercise in the what I have given in the previous video of possessive pronouns. So let's solve it. So fill out with suitable possessive pronouns. I hope you have done this exercise and you can check your answers. Those books are dash. So here, those books are mine. Those students are dash. The ones in green uniforms are dash. So here, those students are ours. The ones in green uniform are yours. It can be also those students are yours. The ones in the green student uniform are ours. Third, Riddhi is a good student. Taking dash help is the most intelligent thing we did today. So here, Riddhi is a good student. Taking her help is the most intelligent thing we did today. Take it, it is dash. Take it, it is yours. Does this big car dash? Does this big car yours? This house is dash, where's is dash. This house is yours, where is ours? Sushant broke his left leg. Is this chocolate is of Renu? Yes, it's her. These shoes are mine, not yours. A neighbor of Dash has filed a suit against us. So here, a neighbor of ours has filed a suit against us. So I hope you have done the answer correctly. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we will study about the relative pronouns. So thanks for watching.